there are those kind of perfumes that feel like a night out, a compliment, or a main character energy all in one. I think this perfume is that. Today I'm talking about Champagne Talk from Madeira collection from Paradise Perfumes. This name already has me sold. This sounds like celebration, confidence, and little bit of luxury. Let's talk about the presentation. It comes in this nice cardboard box which is rich green in color with white details. Behind it has some details about this fragrance which literally talks about the moments that you can wear this perfume in, and then some extra details about the content and manufacturing and pricing and everything. Now this is a 60 ml perfume bottle and the MRP for this one is 1199 rupees, and it's currently available at 999 rupees at paradiseperfumes.in. Now this is how the bottle looks like. It's a nice thick glass bottle with very bare minimum details, and the sticker right here which tells you about the variant has a nice plastic golden cap which is quite tightly fit, and once you open this is how the atomizer is. Testing the sprayer, this is how the atomizer is. It diffuses the product really well. Now this perfume smells very sparkly, very fizzy, little bit spicy, has some earthiness, booziness to it, and then also feels a little sweet, creamy and woody. Let's check out the notes breakdown on this one. It opens up with cognac, which is very bold and effervescent, and it literally feels like the party has just begun. Then it quickly goes into spicy nuances of cinnamon, tonka bean, oak, and Hidion, which brings in that warm and spicy nuance in this fragrance. And then it has vanilla, praline, sandalwood, candied almonds that kind of brings it that sweet, creamy, and nutty nuance. I think this fragrance is made for that luxurious sunset rooftop moment where you're sipping champagne with your partner, or where you're kind of slowly opening up and kind of like discussing your likes and dislikes, and that whole conversation is very real, it's very organic, and slowly becomes a soft romantic moment of holding hands and cuddles. Let's talk about the performance on this one. I get around 7 to 8 hours of longevity with around 6 to 7 sprays. I feel like this is best suited for evening and night time. That's where this really shines through. The projection on this one is medium to loud depending on the number of sprays that you go with. It creates a good and a strong scent bubble around me, and it leaves a perfume trail, and it kind of is a compliment getter as well. The sillage on this one is sort of soft. This fragrance is not about speaking too loud, but speaking just enough. That kind of defines how the sillage is, because it kind of is present, but it's not very loud in a room. Overall, this is long-lasting, affordable luxury, has a unisex appeal to it, cruelty-free and made ethically. And let me come to the best part. Made in Bharat, proudly. I am quite loving the vibe of this fragrance, and my overall rating on this one is a whopping 10 out of 10. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!